Guys, try natin tong Citromint Organic for mosquitoes. Try natin kung maganda siya. Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. Today, I'm going to give a review or feedback about this Citromint home spray. It's Citromint Organic Home Pest Control. Ayan, ito guys, I bought this kasi meron kaming problema sa lamok simula nung nagtag-ulan and nagkaroon kami ng maraming plants. Dumami. And unfortunately, yung mga bata yung laging kinakagat, lalo si Luke. So, sabi ko, ano kayong pwedeng gamitin? Naghanap ako online and I saw this from a friend. Sabi niya effective. So, sabi ko, itatry ko. And I'm going to give a feedback kasi nagustuhan ko siya. Effective siya. And nawala yung lamok. What I like about this, it is safe for pets and kids. So, organic siya. I'm going to show you kung paano ko siya ginagamit. May instruction how to use this. So, una, pwede mo siyang gamitin as spray and safe siya sa skin. And then, you can also use this using air humidifier. So guys, this is one way para gamitin tong Citromint spray. Number one, pwede kang gumamit ng spray bottle. So, ito yung gagamitin ko. So, all you have to do is i-transfer mo lang siya dito. And then, pwede mo na siyang i-spray sa skin. Nilagay ko siya sa spray bottle and then it's safe for the skin. So, pwede mo siyang i-spray. You can also bring this outside. Lalagay mo lang sa bag mo. Guys, that's one way of using Citromint spray. And another way is to use air humidifier. So, I'm going to show it to you kung paano ko siya ginagamit. So, there you go guys. Ayan, ready na siyang gamitin. So, this Citromint Organic is a combination of water-based oil and citronella and peppermint. Ayan. So, 1 liter is good for 1 month. So, this is the instruction kung paano siya gamitin. So, pwedeng spray, pwedeng humidifier or purifier. And it's safe for the skin. Smells best, no chemical added, made from citronella and peppermint, and it's very effective, which is totoo naman. Tinataboy niya guys, dahil sa amoy, tinataboy niya yung mosquito. Minsan, for example, may nakita kang mosquito tapos gusto mo siyang patayin, ang bilis nilang lumipad, halos hindi mo sila mahabol. Pero ngayon, pag merong ganito, nahihilo sila. So, bumabagal yung galaw, madaling mapatay. So, ang ginagawa ko, nilalagay ko siya sa mga areas na malamok. And then, after 1 hour, ililipat ko naman siya. So, yun. My feedback, personal feedback is, effective siya. Na hindi man mawala lahat, pero definitely a very high percentage na itatabo yung mga lamok. If you're looking for something like this na pwedeng pang alis, pang taboy ng lamok, definitely pwede nyo tong i-try. And you can order this online. Ilalagay ko sa description box yung contact details ng friend ko. Pwede kayong umorder sa kanya.